Wait, are you a bot?
Yes? Then pass this reCAPTCHA.
Bad joke. Is any website asked you the same question? Yes? Then why? Who are these bots? Basically, bot is a software application that runs automated tasks over the internet. Tasks performed by bots are typically simple, like opening a web page, clicking a button, filling up a form. These tasks are performed at much higher rate than humans. Basically, bots are classified into two: legitimate or legal or good bots, and malicious or bad bots. Spider bots are one of the legitimate bots who are used to crawl the websites and analyze the web pages and index the web page accordingly. If the web page is not crawled by the bots, then the web page will not get indexed and we can't access these web pages through search engines. We can govern these bots with some set of rules listed in robots.txt file. Robots.txt file tells the bots that which web page it should crawl or have an access to. This is the first file which will be read by the spider bots before accessing the web page. The next one is social media bots. These are the bots which will create accounts in social media platforms. They just like the post, retweet the post, and follow the accounts and pretend as if they are real humans. On Twitter, the fake news is spread by retweeting the fake news using these bots. There is a marketing of these bots. To increase the followers, people purchase the followers, which are not the real humans. They are actually social media bots. The another form of a bot is a chatbot. Chatbots are mainly used in customer services to automate the conversation with customers. There are some more bots like scrapper bots, spam bots, download bots, ticketing bots. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video, comment down your suggestions, and share the video.